Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to publish your milestones in Google Calendar. From the ProjectWork menu, you can publish the project's milestones in a Google Calendar. You must first grant access to your Google Calendar once. Now the dialog will open to publish milestones A and B. The published milestones appear in a private calendar of the signed-in Google account called ProjectWork. This calendar may contain milestones of other published ProjectWork schedules of the same account. When you click the calendar link, a new browser tab will open where you can see the milestones. This link can be embedded in, for instance, Google Sites. The name of the event is the name of the milestone with between parentheses the name of the project. Since the name of a milestone may not be unique, the description contains the path to the milestone. Changes to milestones in the schedule are updated in the calendar when you publish again. As an example, we delete milestone A and move milestone B and publish again. After you publish, the calendar is updated as you can see. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.